Dear students, properties of integer, and see here, this is for class 7 and it is lecture number 2. The chapter is integer. Closure property means sum of two integers is again integer. Product of two integers is also integer. Okay. So we want to verify this one. See, this is said to be closure property of addition of integer, and this property is said to be the multiplicative property of integers. Okay. Now see, a is equal to 5, it is an integer. B is equal to minus 7, it is also the negative integer. So what is a plus b? Is equal to 5 plus minus 7. This is 5 minus 7, it is minus 2. Minus 2 is integer. So see, sum of two integer is again integer. So this one is verified. Now a into b is equal to 5 into minus 7, and if you multiply you will get minus 35. It is again negative integers. So the product of two integer is an integer. So this property is also verified. Now come to property number 2, commutative property. Commutative property means the order is changed. A plus b is equal to b plus a. So what I did here? Order is changed. So let us verify. A into b is equal to b into a. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This is said to be additive commutative property of addition. This is said to be multiplicative commutative property of multiplication. So these are the two properties. Now see verification. A plus b is equal to 5 plus minus 7, and this is 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2, and b plus a is equal to minus 7 plus 5, and this is minus 2. So see, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So there is no difference if you change the order. Okay. Now second, a into b is equal to 5 into minus 7. This is equal to minus 12. And b into a is equal to minus 7 into 5. This is minus 12. So a into b is equal to b into a. So there is no difference when you change the order in multiplication and addition. Now see the property number 3. It is said to be associative property of addition and multiplication. So what is addition? A plus in between bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b and then plus c. What is there? If you change the association, see here b plus c together, here a plus b together, then we are changing the association. So it is said to be associative property. If the operation is addition, then it is associative property of addition. If it is multiplication, then it is associative property of multiplication. I have taken the three numbers here. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 8, c is equal to minus 9. Now let us verify. A plus b plus c, follow BODMAS. Okay. A plus b plus c. First do this one, b plus c. Then it is equal to 8 minus 9. Then it is equal to minus 1. And then 5 plus minus 9 is equal to 4. 5 plus minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Very simple. A plus b plus c. So a plus b first, then this one. So a plus b is equal to 13. That is 5 plus 8. And then minus 9. It is equal to again 4. So what we see? This is equal to this. So associative property of addition is already verified. Now we have to verify the multiplicative associative property of multiplication. See here. 5 into 8 into minus 9 is equal to 5 into this multiply, it is minus 72. If you multiply both, you will get minus 360. And then a into b into c. So 5 into 8 into minus 9. So this one is 40 into minus 9 is equal to minus 360. So what we observe? These two are equal. So associative property of addition and multiplication are both verified for this given number. Okay. Now come to property 4. Property 4 is very important. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So what is this? A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Now see, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8, C is equal to minus 9. Then A into B plus C is equal to 5 into 8 plus minus 9. And this is 5 into board mass. First do this one, it is minus 1, then it is your minus 5. Now see, A into B plus A into C is equal to 5 into 8 plus 5 into minus 9. Follow board mass. First multiplication, then addition. So multiply this one 40, multiply this one minus 45, then add this is minus 5. So both are same. See, it is minus 5, this is minus 5. So distributive property of multiplication over addition is already verified. Okay. Now see the property 5. Existence of additive identity and existence of multiplicative identity. See here. 0 plus what? I am leaving blank here. 0 plus what is equal to A plus 0. 0 plus what is equal to A. This is A. Okay. 0 plus what is equal to A. I am writing here A. This is equal to A. What will be there? This is 0. So 0 is additive identity. That is, if you add 0 to any number, the result is not changing. So it is additive identity. Now A into what? You will get A. So this is 1. So 1 is multiplicative identity. 0 is additive identity. Very simple. So these two are existence of additive identity. So 0 is integer, 1 is integer. So any number added to 0, then number is not changing. Then it is said to be existence of additive identity. Actually, this is also the commutative. That is 0 plus A also. So that is no matter because it is commutative. Okay. Now see the sixth property is the additional property. What? A into B is equal to A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. That means if you multiplied any integer by 0, then you will get the result 0. If A plus B is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A, if you add 0, then you will get the same number. If you multiply by 0, you will get 0. If you add 0, then it is same number. So this is a special properties of 0. Okay. I am not telling the subtraction. I am not telling the division. Subtraction is addition and division is also the one kind of multiplication. Okay. So these two signs are not required for these properties. So I want to conclude all the properties of integers of addition and multiplication. So this class is very, very important for the theoretical concept.